Alex here as we are going downhill to the last weekend of April 23rd, 2026. Seeing Hayes here. It is almost 10:20 mark as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals. Barron Submain at milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Northbound San Lo is rolling out, and I got a feeling this is going to be the S775 81 of the 23rd. And showing up for the roll-by was the return of S775 IACC 8307. She's doing the honors. And a little bit later on, the L5 1981 of the 23rd will follow behind. With 102 Sandloads will be sent up to Walker Yard in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, since starting the journey at maybe Hoskin is probably where this may have started. Which I think it likely has, since building some of the concepts up there. Maybe added cars from Source Energy Services and Weyerhaeuser too. In a little bit, we're going to find out what our rear DPU is. So let's check out the rest of the S775 81 of the 23rd. As we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. The 8307 will be ready to start climbing the hill at control point West Ladysmith and head north via the North Line onto the CN's Superior Submain. I hear the rear DPU now. See what's helping out with it today. Tier 4 this time. Let's bring it up. And it's the 3133. Open up the throttle now to help the 8307 climb uphill. And that is going to do it for today's S775 81 of the 23rd. It continues the rest of the journey to Walker Yard in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, via the CPKC. And we'll do it for the SD75 IACC of the 8307 and the rear DPU VT CT44AC 3133. And that's going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the Mew line. See you and he's out.